What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like Tesla continues to sell off just like a bunch of other stocks. And where is it headed next? Well, it looks like it's trying to fill in this gap right here. There's a gap between the 251 level and the 264 level, so it's probably going to be coming down to fill that gap at the 251 and probably test that 242 level as support. So since the market looks like it will probably continue to drop down lower, I'll probably put my target right there towards the downside. However, price may continue to move down lower, so let's go over that right now. So let's go ahead and remove these measure move targets because they're in the way. So let's remove this. We don't need this right now. This trend line is broken, so you can see the bulls have lost the momentum because this trend line is broken. And I still think we could probably see a measure move target towards the upside met, but it may take a little bit longer now. So this is what we see on the chart. We see an up move that looks like it's failing and falling back down. So looking for that 242 level first. And then since we had a large impulse in the past, there's a possibility to see another similar size impulse in the future. So that would be targeting the 193. I'm not sure if Tesla will get there. There's a good chance it probably won't because we have a lot of support in the way. We have the 242 level and the channel support. So what can happen is price, attempting to reach that level, failing, and then that's will lead to continuation to the upside. So again, measure moves are not always reached. And it's a good sign for the bulls if the measure move towards the downside is not, if it's not being able to be reached. So that's what you would want to see. But it looks like it is in play because we saw a decent sized sell off already. So it does look like it's in play. So the sellers may be able to break through this channel and reach that target. If not, then the bulls need to start, defending their support levels, and that would lead to much more higher prices. So in the short term, I'm looking for more downside, and then we need to evaluate what price does at the support levels, at the 242, and then the channel support, because either way, it looks like price is most likely going to be falling lower, and I'm still deciding if price is going to be breaking it or not. As right now, I don't have enough details or ideas. If it can, there's a good chance that it probably won't, but we'll have to wait and see. So in the short term, looking for the 242. Looks like Tesla is falling down just like a bunch of other stocks. We'll see if around here it can find support. If not, then the next target will be the 211 and possibly the 192. So let's take a quick look on the weekly chart. Here's a quick take on the weekly chart. You can see that price is falling back down. We are a little overextended from the EMA, so that's another reason why price is pulling back towards the downside. The EMA is right around the high 230s, so that coincides with that 242 level. By the time price gets closer and closer, that EMA would be a little bit higher. So again, looking for that low 240s, high 230s target in the short term. Most likely, probably next week, if price continues to drop down lower. And if price is really bearish, we might see that 192 level. In the past, there was this orange downtrend in play, and after a downtrend channel gets a break, you usually see two pushes in that direction. So we saw the first push right back over here in the past. Now we could be seeing the second push right here. So if the second push stays above that 210, 211 level, that would be a failure by the bears, and that will lead to continuation to the upside. So as of right now, it looks like the bears are dominating the bulls, and I'm looking for more downside. We'll see how strong they are later on, but as of right now, that's all I have for Tesla on the daily and weekly charts, and I'll give you guys an update most likely next week, Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.